So hello all. So today we are going to create a Springboot project from the scratch. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So hi guys, I'm back again. Today we will learn how to write a Hello World program in Springboot. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So here we will first create our class, which we will name as Hello World class. So let's create the class here and naming it Hello World. Hello World, and the bracket is starter. I select the public static void menu, so Eclipse will automatically create this method for me. After I've clicked on this button, I'll click the finish button. Eclipse is a bit slow today. So guys, one thing I'd like to mention here is we don't need the public static void menu since it's already there in Springboot demo application of Java application. Spring has already created this for me. So what I will do is I will create a method called public void print. Just write this out. This is out. It's hello world. So that's not the only thing that we do here. To bring this hello world inside console, we have to go to Springboot demo application, create an object of hello world with Java. Hello world. Okay. And there's control one to import the class. Control one. I've imported this class and hello world dot method print, right? So hello world dot print. So we are done with the first program. So let's run this program. Right? Run as Java application, and you'll see hello world getting printed in the console. So Springboot is starting now. Okay, there's one thing I forgot to do here is inside this system resources, we have this application controller is now since my 8080 port is busy now, so I have to change the port number. So how will I do that? Just write server port is equal to 80836 and we will start this application once again. You see, everyone is getting printed and Stormcat has started on port number 8086. See? So I hope you have enjoyed this project. More videos are coming soon, so stay tuned. Thank you.